In this video, I'll guide you through how can you fix can't add card to Apple Wallet. If you cannot add a card to Apple Wallet to use with Apple Pay, then you could follow these steps. So there are a couple of different ways to fix it. So the number one step, or the step number one, could be contacting the card issuer to see if they support Apple Pay or not. Sometimes some of the card doesn't accept or does not support Apple Pay, so you have to actually contact with the card issuer and they will be able to help you out as well. After which, you could also check for an update. You could update to the latest version of iOS, and that could be able to fix the issue as well. Similarly, you could also confirm that you have a Face ID, Touch ID, Optic ID, or a passcode set on your device. That could be able to fix it. So now, despite of doing all of these methods, if nothing seems to be working out, then what you could do is you just go ahead and open up your settings, and then you want to go to the general section. When you go to the general section, right on this page, you want to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. As soon as you do it, then you'll be able to see this option, so click on reset. As you do it, so you want to click on the reset network settings, and it's going to take a couple of seconds. You just have to make sure to refresh or restart your device, and once again try adding the card. That should be able to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.